So I come out here, hook up the trailer, put the ramps out, go over to the Ranger. Guess what? I don't have the keys. Look at this bird's trying to get me. Because it has a nest. There's more eggs. There's 4 of them right there. See them? 4 little eggs. And the mama, or daddy's over here acting like she's dead. If I step towards. See, they act like they're dead to get your attention away from their babies. But anyway, I can't find the fucking key. I don't know where the key is. So yeah, can't bring the Ranger home this weekend until I find the damn key. And I'm not gonna bust up the steering column until I find out that I don't have the keys. Remember, I dropped it off with the F-250, and then I gathered everything in the F-250 and threw it all into totes and boxes and shit. So now I gotta look through all of that. Hopefully it's there, because I put everything in this tote right here in the back of the Silverado. I don't know. I still gotta drop off these trash cans that are in the back right here, because yeah, I'm not paying that. Oh well, time to go home. All right, back here at the house, I've got all this stuff here. I think that's what I'm looking for right here. Remember, I cleaned out the F-250 with a bunch of stuff, and I never did put any of this stuff away back into the other. Now I gotta search through here. Aha! That's not it. Flip it this way. Ha! Yes! But now I gotta put all this stuff into the Silverado. Oh, that is a huge load off my mind. So, alright, Saturday night, time to go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and get something done. You're seeing me right now because I didn't video all weekend. Went over to the other house. Mom still wasn't done. Was kind of mad about that because I really wanted to be out of the house by this weekend. She's got a few more things that she wants to get. So Aunt Lena's helping her with that. We didn't really do hardly anything. I say I didn't do anything, but I did mow. I did weed eat the grass. I got the lights hooked up on the outside of the shop, so now we got lights. Finished hooking up the speakers. Moved the freezer from outside to inside the mini shop, so that's in there now. Got a few things moved around in there. Got the rest of the trash that was in the mini shop into the big can outside, and that was hauled off this morning, so that's done. I've got the key to the Ranger with me now, so I'm glad I got that, because that's now I'll be able to bring the Ranger home next weekend. I've got some more keys and some other stuff. There was one more bag of stuff from the F-250 that I did not grab. So the only thing that I did not grab off the F-250 was the license plate, which I wasn't going to reuse the license plate, so it's not that big a deal. I've already told Revenue that I sold it, and that's that. So now I had to go and I got the registration for the Big Tex trailer and the license plate on it. So now I finally have that done, and it'll be legal going down the road, pulling whatever we want on it. What else? That's about it for this whole weekend. I mean, we really didn't do much. My wife was at work. It was just me and my daughter. I had one day, Sunday. For some reason, when I come in on a Saturday, the rest of the weekend, I am just tired. If I come in on a Friday, take a Saturday off, I'm good. And then I leave out on Sunday, everything's normal. But had that extra day of work that I had to do to get home. And now work is waiting on me. I've got those trash cans in the back. You can see them right there in the back, right there. And I'm taking those back to Waste Management, like I said, so that I can save $60 on both those cans. Get those turned in, get my final bill, and be done with them. I think the final bill is like $24, so it's really not even that big a deal. But yeah, you'll never see me doing video in the big truck while it's moving, due to our insurance and the way the company rules and regulations are, not to mention being in a big truck using a camera and all that. It's safety sensitive functions and against our rules and regulations, and I could get fired for that. So that's why I can't do that anymore. I have done it in the past, but I need not do that going down the road. So that's it. This is going to be like under 10 minutes for the whole video. I mean, I could just sit here and ramble on about a bunch of stuff, but it's not going to work. Sorry for the short video. Oh, we are going to get back on track with that Ranger if it kills me next weekend. I need to do something to it, even if it's just prepping it and getting it ready to start working on it. So thumbs up for, I don't know, for doing nothing. That's how I feel right now. And comment at the bottom if there's anything even to comment about. But we're going to get back on track. I will talk to you guys midweek about what the weekend game plan is. Today is Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll talk to you, I don't know, in a couple of days, or maybe I might put it up Thursday. I'm getting kind of behind on my videos. If anything else happens exciting out on the road, I'll go ahead and video that in the next couple of days. But until then, peace out, freaks, baby. See you guys on the next video.